is that the corporate world isn't built for the hardworking. It's built for the strategic. While you're grinding 60 hours a week, someone else is playing a game you don't even know exists. They are the corporate ghosts. They aren't in the office drama. They aren't the boss's favorite. And they're never the first to be fired. Why? Because they've mastered the art of vanishing while becoming indispensable. If you feel like your career is stalling despite your effort, you're likely being set up. Here is the blueprint to flipping the script. Sign 1. The Tactical Information Starvation. Notice you're suddenly missing from key meetings? This isn't an accident. It's an information blackout. You're still on the team, but you're no longer in the loop. This is called information austerity. Your management is starving you of the context you need to succeed. When you inevitably fail or underperform, they have the paper trail they need to let you go. The corporate ghost move? Start building your own information network outside of your direct reporting line. Knowledge is your only shield. Sign 2. The Impossible Task Pipeline. Management loves to give growth opportunities that are actually death sentences. These are projects with zero budget, no manpower, and a deadline that was missed before it started. If you accept it with a smile, you're becoming a martyr for their metrics. The ghost strategy? Radical transparency. Document the lack of resources immediately. Force them to acknowledge the risk in writing. If it's not in an email, it didn't happen. Sign 3. The Likability Trap. Being likable is a trap for a 5-figure career. If everyone likes you, you're not a threat. And if you're not a threat, you're not a priority. The most dangerous person in the building is the enigma. The one who is polite, professional, but completely private. Stop sharing your weekend plans. Stop talking about your side hustles. Become the least interesting person in the building so you can become the most successful person outside of it. The ladder is full of snakes. Don't be the ladder. Be the architect of your own reality. The reason most people never see the truth